Hello, and welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what a Mozambique musical style is and how it relates to the music we make. Mozambique is a vigorous style of Cuban music and dance. Although this rhythmic style shares many characteristics with the sub-Saharan African music traditions, it does not have anything to do with the music from the African nation of Mozambique. Here are some percussion instruments featured in the Cuban Mozambique. Conga drums, cowbells, and the timbales. Percussion instruments play a crucial role in Mozambique's music, providing both rhythmic foundation and melodic accents. Here's an adaptation of what a Mozambique groove might sound like on a drum kit or in a drum sequencer. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.